Alright, so I'm about to tackle the big cave site for Palo Duro Canyon. There's lots of people in the cave, so this will be my fourth time seeing the cave, so I'm just going to take you to the cave since there's so many people. I've already been here, but I wanted you to just see what it is. It's pretty cool. This trail is not marked on difficulty level because it's actually just not an actual trail, but a site to see. So it's definitely not easy. It's not, there's no handicapped accessibility to this trail. It's much too difficult for that, but it is not a difficult trail either. But the climb up to the cave entrance is pretty rough. It's not hard, but you know, it'll make you huff and puff a little bit. So I'll just take you to the cave, and y'all get some good views of the different Triassic levels on what they call the Spanish skirts, going from limestone to the red dirt. And as you can see, there's lots of this climbing up and down, and it's a pretty bumpy, rough trail. The main entrance is over there, but I parked further away. And this is actually the Juniper Trail for Cliffside. This is at the half-mile mark from the starting point where I am camped at. And it keeps going that direction. They, of course, have it marked by the pillars and posts so that you don't get lost and confused of where do I go from here? Because this is such a very well-traveled and very well loved feature to see. Now up here in the cliffs, you'll see lots of hoodoos. There's a smaller one